Hello everyone. Repairs to the Varketili Metro station have been delayed for over 3 years. The completion date has been postponed again until March 31, 2026. In January 2018, a portion of the ceiling at Varketili station collapsed after repairs, injuring 11 people. Since then, the mayor's office has repeatedly announced tenders for restoration work. Bada Construction LLC began repairs in 2025. The main part of the work is aimed at strengthening the arched ceiling in the waiting room with appropriate mortar and concrete. The Tbilisi Metro consists of 2 lines, including 23 stations with 1 transfer hub. Varketili station is the terminus of the Akhmeteli-Varketili line. It opened in 1985. The Tbilisi Metro is the 4th metro system in the former USSR, after the Moscow, Leningrad, and Kyiv metros. Good luck to all of you.